today you're going to learn how to monetize TikTok in 2026 step by step, using the two most effective methods directly inside the platform. If you want to start making money with your content but don't know where to begin, this will help you understand everything in a clear and practical way. We're going to focus only on what actually works right now. First, you need to understand something very important. It's not just about posting videos. It's about creating content that people actually want to watch until the end, because on TikTok, retention and consistency are everything when it comes to monetization. If people leave your video too early, your content won't get pushed. And that means fewer views and less income, so always focus on grabbing attention in the first few seconds. Now let's get into the first method. The first way to monetize is through the Creator Rewards program. This is one of the main ways TikTok pays creators. Directly, you earn money based on your views, but also on the quality of your content. To access this program, you need to meet some requirements. For example, having a certain number of followers, getting consistent views, and following TikTok's community guidelines. Once you meet these requirements, you can activate monetization inside your account. Now here's how to do it step by step. First, go to your profile, then tap the three lines at the top right corner. After that, go to Creator Tools. Inside that section, you'll find the option for the Rewards program or monetization. If your account qualifies, you'll be able to activate it from there. Once you activate it, your videos can start generating income. But here's something very important to understand. Not every video will make money. TikTok prioritizes original content, videos that are long enough, and content that keeps people watching. So you should focus on creating videos that hook the viewer from the beginning. Keep your content dynamic. Avoid long pauses and make sure something is always happening. It's also very important to stay consistent, because the more you post, the more chances you have to go viral and generate income. Now let's move to the second method. The second way to monetize is through gifts on TikTok. This works both in regular videos and especially during live streams. Your followers can send you virtual gifts, and those gifts can be converted into real money. To activate this option, you also need to meet certain requirements, like having a minimum number of followers and an active account. Now the step-by-step. First, go to your profile, then open the menu in the top corner. After that, go to Creator Tools again and look for the option for gifts or live monetization. Once it's activated, you can start receiving gifts from your audience. Now, how do you maximize this? You need to create content that builds a real connection, especially during live streams. Talk to your audience, respond to comments, say people's names, and keep the interaction going. The more connected your audience feels, the more likely they are to support you. You can also encourage participation in a natural way. For example, setting goals during your live or thanking people who send gifts. This creates a sense of community and makes others want to join. Now, something very important, you don't need millions of followers to start, but you do need consistency and patience. Post regularly, pay attention to what works, and repeat that style. Also focus on quality. Good audio, good lighting, and clear content make a big difference. And most importantly, be yourself on TikTok. People connect more with real personalities than with perfect content. If you apply these two methods correctly, you can start generating income directly inside the platform, and over time, you can grow and scale even more. And that's how you can monetize TikTok in 2026 step by step, using the two most effective methods inside the app.